Today we're looking at digital twins. Think of a digital twin not as a simple drawing, but as a living, virtual mirror of a physical system. The key difference between this and an old-fashioned 3D model is data. A digital twin is linked to its physical counterpart through sensors that stream real-time information, like temperature, pressure, or motion, directly into the software. In urban engineering, this is a game changer. City planners in places like Singapore use digital twins to simulate how a new building might block wind or trap heat before a single brick is laid. But it's not just for cities. Environmental scientists are creating digital twins of the Great Barrier Reef. By plugging in projected sea level rises or temperature spikes, they can see exactly which coral sections will struggle. This shifts our strategy from just reacting to damage to predicting and preventing it entirely.
As artificial intelligence becomes a staple of modern decision-making, we must confront the issue of algorithmic bias. There is a persistent myth that because algorithms rely on mathematical data, they are inherently neutral. However, machine learning systems are trained on historical data. If that data reflects past human prejudices, the AI doesn't just learn those patterns, it often amplifies them. Consider automated hiring platforms. If a company's historical data shows a trend of hiring men for leadership roles over several decades, an algorithm might conclude that male candidates are statistically superior. Consequently, the software might automatically downgrade resumes containing words like women's or names of all female colleges. This isn't a conscious choice by the machine, but a mathematical reflection of past social inequities. This problem extends to medical diagnosis tools as well. If a diagnostic AI is trained primarily on data from one specific ethnic group, it may fail to recognize symptoms in patients from different backgrounds. The danger here is that these biases are invisible, buried within complex layers of code. To combat this, developers are now using adversarial testing, where they intentionally challenge the AI with biased prompts to expose and correct these flaws before the software is deployed for public use.